My name is Andy Cranston, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set the IP parameters on an Eaton G3 ePDU using minicom with some automation. A prerequisite of this is being able to log into the PDU via the serial connection using minicom. So let's do that. So we run minicom, specify the name of the serial device file and the baud rate, press return. We log in as user admin, we supply the admin password, that gets us logged in, and we can log out by typing quit and exit minicom. So the automation starts with the creation of a file called eton-dual.cmd in this case, and it contains all of the set commands which I'm going to issue to the PDU to switch off DHCP, set the IP address, gateway and IP mask. In addition, I'll set the host name and domain name and set the IP addresses for the primary and secondary DNS servers. I'll also issue the commands to set up NTP to use the pool.ntp.org. Now, before I can actually run the command that's going to do all this setup for me, I just need to set an environment variable called PW to contain the admin password. So that environment variable now contains the admin password to the PDU. I've used this utility set PW so you don't see the password on the screen because I obviously want to keep the password secret. Okay, we're now ready to run the script. It's called minicom-eton.exp. I specify the environment variable that contains the password, i.e. PW, and then the name of the command file, eton-dual.cmd. And we can see that the command is running the minicom command for me and sending all of those set commands to the PDU, the last of which was to reset the PDU. So let's just wait a minute or two for the PDU to reset, and then we'll see if we can log into it using that IP address. Okay, so let's see if we can log in as the admin user, but this time using SSH and specifying the IP address that we've just set on the ePDU. We can log in, and when we type quit, we log out and the SSH session completes. Okay, let's start a browser. I'll enter the URL to log into the web GUI of the PDU. Log in as admin, specify the admin password, and we're logged in. And if we look at the TCP/IP settings, we can see that the IP address, the subnet mask, the gateway address have been set. In addition to that, the PDU has been given a unique host name, and we've specified a domain name of matrix.lab. If we look at the date and time, we can see that that's been set up with the correct NTP server settings to use pool.ntp.org. So, a very quick run of the script that automates the minicom command has issued all of those set commands, and we've got the PDU configured and on the network. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. My email address is on the screen.